All right, my friends, welcome back. Guess what today is? It's a Win Your Claim Wednesday bulletin. And that all that means is we're not actually talking about a victory, but something that you, as the contractors and insureds, need to be aware of so you can win your claim. And today's
Mhm.
topic is a little bit different, just throwing this out there so you guys understand what we, as public insurance adjusters, loss consultants, and insurance appraisers, kind of the feedback we get from insurance companies based on if it is an itemized estimate or a lump sum estimate. Chris, welcome, my friend. What are you seeing in the industry? What are your thoughts? How do we
Yeah,
guide contractors and insureds to do it the right way?
yeah, and that's a great question. It's not always the right way because every
Right.
situation is different.
Yeah.
Well, sometimes the insurance companies want an itemized estimate from, the two major softwares in our industry, which is, Xactimate or Stability, or even just an
Right.
estimate broken down line by line and explaining it. Sometimes they want that. Sometimes it's better, given a situation, to provide a lump sum estimate given the situation. Every situation is different, and so
That's
keep
right.
that in mind. It's
Yeah.
more of a strategy type of situation. And again, these are things that you'll learn if you sign up with this program, winyourclaim.com.
Yes.
But yeah, typically the insurance companies want to see that. Now, should you send it? Should you not send it? That's the question. Every situation's different, but we just want to let you know the trends are the insurance company always wants it, basically.
Yeah.
We just decide
So
if we want to send it.
right. The insurance company wants an itemized estimate because they want to know what's in that lump sum, which I don't blame them, right? Because if they're double paying or overpaying, they want to avoid doing that. And I totally get why contractors want to send a lump sum because sometimes it's just like, hey, man, this is my cost. This is what I make. This is the number. Pay it or don't, but this is what I'm doing. And with the good contractors, especially the ones that we work with, our referral partners, and the ones that we can recommend, like that's totally fine because we trust them and we know, like, hey, this guy is legitimate and they do really good work. She's legitimate. She has done good work for us in the past. But unfortunately, the insurance company doesn't know that. And they
Mhm.
see millions of claims. And one adjuster at any given time is working on between 100 to 150 claims. We know that because a presentation I did a couple of years ago with an inside desk adjuster. And they're like, yeah, we have up to 150 claims at any given time. And people just call and yell at us every day. Don't do
Yeah.
that. And you just have to understand that they have so much going on that they have to try to hit these parameters.
Mhm.
And is the juice worth the squeeze? Meaning, is it worth it for you to send a lump sum estimate to push through all this effort and energy to get out what you might get? Or could you do an itemized estimate? I don't know the right answer, but I will tell you when we do our estimates, we do itemized because the insurance company and us, we start speaking that same language and
Mhm.
they appreciate that. And it usually helps us get it expedited. Not
Yeah.
saying that doing it the other way is wrong. If I was a business owner, I probably would do it the other way. So, with
Yes.
that
Yes.
said, maybe you understand what we're speaking about, maybe
Yeah.
not, but I will tell you, just like Chris said, win your claim. We're still in beta testing, but we're going to roll
Yeah.
this out soon. And it's going to rock the industry in such an amazing way to empower insureds and empower contractors. We call
Mhm.
it the triangle of trust, which is the insured, the contractor, and us as your loss consultant. And
Mhm.
that just makes it amazing. So stick with
Mhm.
us. We appreciate you guys. We'll see you on the next one.